Today we're going to make a cute 3D penguin using plasticine.
For today's craft, I am going to show you how to make this cute little penguin step by step. To get started, you're going to need some plasticine. So here I have a little bit of white, some orange, and some black. Now, if you use more black, you'll have a bigger penguin. Less black, you'll have a smaller penguin. So it doesn't really matter how much plasticine you use, just know the more you use, the bigger your penguin is going to be. Also, black is super, super messy. So we are going to use black last, and you are going to need to go wash your hands during this activity or have something around you where you can wipe them off. So first thing we're going to do is start with the lightest color, and we are going to put that in our hands. Now, the reason we start with the lightest color is the same reason I just said about the black. This stuff goes on your hands and gets them all colored and dirty. Comes off, but you don't want it to come off on the colors you're using. So I'm taking my white, I'm just rolling it in my hands to warm it up. It makes it so much easier to work with. Then I'm going to take a little bit off, and this is how much a little bit is. 2 little tiny pieces like this. They're very small, and I bet those are even too big, so I'm going to even take a smaller one. So see how tiny these are? Very, very tiny, and I'm just going to roll. I like to put them on one hand and roll with my other finger into a circle. You can see quite small. I might even go smaller than that. So super, super tiny. Make 2. So these are going to be the eyeballs, or the eyes. Then we're going to make little pupils to go inside. So you want those to be about the same size, so you can see one is bigger than the other. No problem. I'll just take some off and make this one smaller. So you have 2 eyes. They're so, so tiny. They're 2 spheres. Super, super tiny. Once you have those, you're going to take some more of that white. So you can see I had quite a bit of white, and I'm not even going to use all of that. And I'm going to roll this one. Palm of my hand and my fingers roll, or you could do your whole palms. Roll, 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 roll. And here I am going to, first of all, make a ball, so make a sphere. Then I'm going to use my finger and roll a little bit like this so that it becomes kind of more like an egg. Then I am going to push it down with my fingers. So it's more of an oval shape, and I'm pushing it down with my fingers. You can see I touched the black plasticine just by grabbing it, and some black is already on there, so you can see how easy it is. So all I have is an oval. I'm going to put that to the side. The next color I'm using is my orange, and I have a lot here. I don't need that much. So I'm going to take a tiny little piece of orange, roll it in my palm with one of my fingers. This is going to be my little beak. And to make my beak, once I have a sphere, I just take my little fingers like this, and I'm going to try to make a little triangle. So see how there's a little tip, and then I'm going to push down here, push on this end, so push on this end, and triangle on this end. I don't know if you can see that. So you're just going to form a little beak. It's so tiny. Put that guy down. I'm going to take some more of that orange. These are going to be for the feet. And I'm going to roll it up to warm it up. So rolling to warm it. And I have a sphere, and I'm going to cut that in half. So they're about the same size, and I make my feet. To make my feet, I'm going to make another sphere, a lot of circles. And then I'm going to put my finger down and flatten it a little bit, just a little bit. Then I'm going to do that thing again with my fingers. And I'm going to just make a little triangle end, little tip the end, not a triangle end, I guess a little, so I'm making a little tip at this end and pushing on this end. So I am making that triangular looking shape. There we go. Okay, guess what? You're doing that again. So round, 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 round. And squish a tiny bit, put your fingers on this end, and push on this end. There we go. And so it's a tip here, and that is perfect. They should be about the same size. If they're not, that's okay. Just pause the video until you have them about the same size. Now comes the body. Now this is where it's gonna get messy. So once you have all that and you're ready for your black, be ready for some dirty hands. I'm gonna take my black and I'm gonna roll it to soften it. Soften, soften, soften. You can see, look at that. Already my hands are black. So I'm rolling, 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 and you want to take a little bit off. So you have to save a little bit here. I wonder if I need to save a little bit more. It's going to be for each side. Okay, so we're going to make 2 balls, 2 spheres that I think seem to have something on here. Let me just move that to the side. I don't know what that is. Little fluffy from another craft. There is 1 sphere. Here is another sphere. And I'm making a 3rd one. This is going to be for the actual body. So this is going to be the body. So decide how much you want. If this is too much, because remember, these are going to be your little feet. If this is too much, then get rid of some. If you need to add more, then go ahead and add. Once you have your sphere for your body, you're going to take your hands and roll them like this to make more of a cylinder type shape. And you want it rounded on the top. So it's rounded on the top and the bottom. Just put my finger tap, tap, tap to make it a little bit straighter, but the top is rounded. And just kind of play around with it till you have that overall looking shape that you like. So that, see, I'm trying to make it a little bit flatter on this side, if you can see, and more rounded over here. I think I like that. Then I'm going to take, and I actually think these are going to be too big. So I'm going to take a little bit less. I'm going to roll this into a ball, a sphere, and then I'm going to roll it into a little thin cylinder, or like a little mini hot dog. And then I'm just going to push gently down with my fingers. So gently down, I pushed. See how I did that? So I flattened it a little bit. And then with these fingers, I am going to make a little tip. So can you see that? I flattened a little bit, and here, like a little tip, almost like we did with the foot. Then I'm going to come and fasten it. So my eyes are going to go here, so I just want it right about where my eye level would be. And I'm taking the side that's the flatter side, pushing it down, and this was the little tip. So this is where I made the tip, and then gently pushing down, and then I just want it to come like this, like a little curve. So this just takes a little bit of work. If it doesn't work, take it off and try again, and you do the same thing for the other side. So this one was too big. I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm going to take the same size I used. I'm going to roll into a circle or a sphere, roll into like a cylinder or like a hot dog to about the same length, push down, push gently, push gently. Okay, and on this side, putting my fingers together and just making a little tip, pushing down, then tip. You can see I'm just playing with it as I go. Something goes wrong, you roll it up and you do it again. It's not a problem. Then I'm going to, remember the tip is going to go at the bottom here. So that other side is lined up. And then I'm going to just move it, a little curve there. And I see I'm going to go back and play with the other one and play with this one and make sure they are the same. I want them to be fairly symmetrical, same on one side as the other. Hopefully you can see that. You can also see how dirty my hands are. So before you wash your hands, you're going to take a tiny, 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 tiny little bit of black. And I mean so, so tiny. Like so, so tiny. I don't even know if you can see it. but it's going to be the tiniest little black. This is going to be for the pupil. You want a tiny, like little, I don't know if you can see that little guy. Tiniest little thing. This one's too big. You can always add more. It's harder to take away. So see how tiny those are? You want tiny ones. Now what I would suggest is stop the video. I'm going to stop. I'm going to go wash all this off, and then I will assemble the lighter pieces. Okay, I'm back. My hands are now clean, so I'm ready to assemble. I have the base of the body of my penguin. I'm now going to take the lightest color, the white, and I think my belly's a little bit too big, so I'm gonna have to make that a little bit smaller. So all I do is fold that up. Don't worry about the white one, it won't be as dirty. I'm gonna roll it, take a little bit off, just make mine a little bit smaller. So I'm rolling that back into a sphere. I'm gonna roll it a tiny little bit more here into more of an oval shape. Then I'm going to flatten it, pushing. You want this to be pretty flat. You don't want it really thick. So it's okay that it's really, really thin. That'll actually look great. And you want it to be round like an oval. And then I'm going to put that right at the bottom, coming up. There we go. I think that's okay. You want the shape before you put it on, because once you put it on, it's a bit tricky to take off. There, we're happy with that. You're going to take one of the eyes. Remember those circles that we created? Those circles, circles, circles. Okay, just a moment. My dog is sniffing under here. Come on, get out of there. Come on, over here, buddy. Over here, Murphy. There we go. Sorry, that was my dog. I'll show you a picture. So we take that circle and squish it down, and this is really thin as well. Like very, very thin. And that's what I want. I'm gonna put one here. And the other one on the other side. Squishing it down. It's very thin. Put it on this side. Now there's going to be the pupil in the middle, but I'm going to do that last because we know black is messy. I'm going to take the nose, put my nose right on, in between those eyes, just push down so it sticks. I'm going to take my feet and just push them right on the bottom. So I'm pushing up so it sticks. And the other one. Little gentle push. Make sure that they look okay. This one's not sticking, so here am I just going to show you. You just have to push down like that, and then that will stick. Okay, now for the tiny little pupils. Probably just use one little finger. You can see it's so tiny. And I'm going to carefully dab it and just push down. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. So I pick it up, carefully dab it, push down, and that one looks a tiny bit bigger. So I could add a little bit more to the other side just to even them out. There, I think those are the same size. And there you have it. And just be careful, try not to touch that white because your hands will have gotten a little bit of black on them.
So if you need to, go wash your hands. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.